tutorial on how to make the Happy Days burp cloth and bib set. Here's how we make it. Cut out your bibs and your burp cloth in your main fabric and place right sides together on top of your toweling. Cut a piece of toweling slightly bigger than the outer fabric and place the outer fabric on top of the toweling right sides together. Pin together, use lots of pins. This is to avoid movement when sewing. Sew all the way around the main outer fabric, however leave a 10 cm gap for turning later. Once you've sewn all the way around, cut off the excess toweling from all the way around the bib. And now turn your bib the right way around by pulling through the gap you left. Carefully fold in your raw edges and clip into place, and then take it to your machine and top stitch all the way around, and this will then close that gap up. Finally, add a cam snap to the back, and that's your baby bandana bib finished. And this is the baby burp cloth and bibs all completed.